Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the charging and headphone jack board on the Motorola Moto G Stylus 2021 mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the back cover from the body. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, create an opening using a suction cup and then insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Take out the back cover and then take out the board frame by undoing 11 screws. Next, disconnect the battery connector. Next, take out the speaker cover by undoing 7 screws. Next, unplug 2 antenna heads and the main ribbon connector cable from the charging port board. Next, undo the screw on the charging port board. Next, pull out the not working charging port board from the body. Next, place and secure the new charging port board with the headphone jack to the body. Next, secure the board by adding the screw. Next, secure both antenna heads and the main flex cable to the board. Next, secure the board cover by adding 7 screws. Next, connect the battery plug and secure the board frame by adding 11 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie the rear car with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.